Yeah, hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, we're going to talk about the Prosper credit card. Now, we have so many approvals here, so let's just hop right on into it. Now, someone said they was able to get approved for $1,600 with the Prosper credit card. Somebody said they did get approved, but their credit score is higher. I was pre-approved for the Prosper card. What is the next step? Once you're pre-approved, you have to actually accept it. Just because you guys get pre-approved for a credit card, um, I wouldn't say that doesn't mean anything. You got to actually accept it, because I was pre-approved for this credit card years ago, and I did not accept it because they tell you what limit that they're going to give you, and I'm like, I can't do this. This limit ain't gonna work. I'm sorry. And then two, so they'll tell you once you pre-qualify for it, they'll tell you exactly how much you'll be pre-qualified for, and then they want to actually um, have access to your bank account. So that is another thing that you guys have to watch out for. But I believe we have a comment talking about that here. Um, but once you get pre-approved, you have to actually accept this. So somebody said they was approved for $1,000 with a 660 credit score, but they think it because they got a low credit limit because their utilization is at 49%. That is possible. Um, I know that is not necessarily good. You want to have it at 15%, but they say they're doing business play at the moment, so it's shot up. So I understand that high utilization could make it where they only approve you for $1,000, but two, I just don't think that they're going to give out very high approvals. So you at $1,000, they're at $1,600 here. That's still not, you know what I mean? That's still not that much, but they are able to approve people, which is good. I applied for Prosper, got approved for $800 limit, but ultimately did not pull the trigger because I'm a member of a small town local bank, and they want you to link your card to a national bank through their system. So US Bank, Bank of America, Wells Fargo. It's a good card to get if you have an account with the national bank. That is true. That's what I was telling you. They do want to link your account. So they asked for access to my bank account, but I thought it was just access to verify like my income and things like that. I didn't know if it was going to be overall verification, but reading this, it makes me assume that it's overall verification, and I just think that that's too much. Like you want to have my, we ain't talking about a Navy Federal credit card. We ain't talking about a Discover credit card. We're talking about a Prosper credit card. I just think they want too much information. It's not that serious. I'm just being honest. Now, they are going to pull your Experian credit report as far as I am concerned. If you see something different on your end, definitely let me know. You will be able to pre-qualify for this without a hard inquiry. So you can pre-qualify for it, see what they're going to say. And you can even have your, so like when you applying for credit cards, you have a right to, let me not, I don't, I'm trying not to make sure I don't say anything I'm not supposed to say, but I'm just gonna talk about myself. I'm just gonna learn that. I'm just gonna talk about myself. I know I have a right to get a to freeze my credit report, and then I have a right if I want to apply for a credit card, can apply for a credit card. So I know that you could technically have your credit bureaus frozen, and if you apply for a credit card, they're going to tell you, "Hey, we have your application. We need you to unfreeze this credit bureau to approve you." I just did the Toyota credit card, and Toyota said they want Equifax, Experian, Sage Stream, and Innovis. Like Innovis, Innovis, they wanted all four of those to be unfrozen, basically, so they can approve you. So if you have your credit reports frozen, they can't look at anything. Nobody has access to it. Like that's what a freeze is, and it's free. You guys can do that just by calling the bureaus, telling them you want to put a freeze on your credit report. But if you really want to know exactly which bureau they're going to pull, all you have to do is just have everything frozen, do the application, because at the end they're going to tell you right then and there, hey, we need you to unfreeze this bureau. Or if they don't tell you right then and there, they may email you or they may actually mail it to you, because they may deny you and say, hey, we need 7 to 10 business days. We'll send you the thing in the mail. And you think it's a straight out denial, but it's just that your credit reports is frozen. And then they're going to see that letter in the mail and tell you which bureau they need you to unfreeze. But at least you'll know exactly which bureau they're going to pull from. And I think that this can be very helpful to some people to know exactly how to do that. And watch out for the annual fee. I know that we're seeing no annual fee. We're going to see at least that they have no annual fee for the first year. I believe if you set up auto pay or something like that. So that is really good. So no annual fee. in that first year, but you definitely want to double check that annual fee, because going forward, you're not going to have them for just a year. A lot of times you're going to have it for longer, so you want to know what your annual fee is going to be in the future. Now, I do have my exclusive credit membership. These are the prices right now. It is not October, oh my gosh, it's March of 2025. So these are the fees right now. I plan on actually pausing my membership in terms of letting more people into my membership. But these are actual results from my clients in my membership. I just want to make sure I focus on ones that are in my membership right now. We have a lot of big stuff happening right now, a lot of great things happening, and I just want to focus on that so that we can just multiply the great success that we're having right now. So definitely get in the membership while it's still open. If you're watching this and it's not open, you're going to be able to join that waiting list. Now, these are the credit cards that I think that is similar to. So I think that is similar to the Milestone credit cards. Milestone, they have an option of having no annual fee. And then I signed up for Milestone just to see what it was about, because I used to think of Milestone as like one of those predatory lending companies, but I don't look at them like that anymore, because they do have no annual fee. They do offer you cash back too. So if you do have an annual fee, you have an option to get enough cash back, because once you pay your statement balance by your due date, you'll be, or even in general, using a credit card, they're just going to tell you what your interest is going to be. But they'll, after you pay your credit card, after your new statement come out, they'll tell you how much you got in cash back. So they give you cash back on it. So I think it's not too bad. So I think Milestone is very similar to the Prosper credit card. The Discover Cash Back, I will hope that you guys will even try to see if you can get that, because that can be a great option for you. And then the Capital One Platinum credit card. These are the credit cards that I think that is similar to. If you guys are still learning credit, definitely check out my Credit 101 membership though, because I put this together. It's over 200 videos. It has dispute letters that I personally made for this membership, and it's a $1 trial. So definitely check it out. A $1 trial for 7 days, and it's only $9.99 per month. And this is very, very helpful. I know that having this right here and you buckling down, do what you need to do, can really change your life, because I use a lot of this stuff and it changed my life. That's why I wanted to make sure I had it in here so that you guys can do the same thing to be able to change your life. Now, I do have different lists here, which is my favorite part. I love the pre-qualified with no hard inquiry, so definitely check that out. Also, the best credit cards for bad credit students, the best credit cards in general, the best ones for travel, best ones to build credit, gas rewards, and cash back. So definitely check out the different lists depending on what you want to do. There's definitely a list there for you. Also, I have 6 months of free dispute letters. If you guys follow steps 1 through 5, the 5th step is to actually just call us. We can actually create the dispute letters for you and email them to you so that you can mail them on your end, but we can also mail them on our end too. And no matter who mails these, whether it's going to be us or it's going to be you, I do suggest that you guys please make sure that you send a certified mail no matter what. And then if we mail them on our end, we're going to always ask you, do you think we should? Not do you think? we ain't no thinking necessary, y'all, for real. Would you like us to mail a certified mail? Because that's the way we should really send everything. I'm still learning some. I can't really try not to talk too much, but I'll be able to talk more in the future. But that is the way that we need to send everything, so that everything is tracked, so we know that, yes, you actually got my letter. You cannot lie and say you didn't get it. So that's what we like to do. We like to send everything certified mail. So no matter what, you send a certified or we gonna send a certified, okay? Just keep that in your mind, because it's gonna be very, very important. And again, sign up for my exclusive credit membership while it's still available. If it is a waiting list on it, it's a $1 trial for 7 days. If it is a waiting list, then join the waiting list. It's definitely gonna be worth the wait. But once you see that it is a waiting list, then you know that we are really cooking in the kitchen. We got some good stuff going on, even more, okay? But we'll definitely let you all in shortly. Hopefully it don't last too long, that pause. But yeah, hopefully you guys get approved for the Prosper credit card. Again, they can pre-qualify you on their website. Just double check the annual fee and don't play about it, okay? And then let me know which bureau they're actually gonna pull from. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. You can call us at 407-374-2747, or you can just call 833-Rickita. And don't forget, my website is Rickita.com. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.